Welcome to FTW News. Today we are going to concentrate on a very serious subject, photography pages. The pages of this specific topic have sprung all over the web, and this is not stopping. Every day, 37 photography related pages are created from Mumbai alone. This is a serious issue. Innocent Facebook users are forced to like these pages. This is not good at all. Now we will connect to our reporter on field, Mr. Vivek Shinde. Thank you.
This is Vivek Shinde from FTW News Channel. I'm here on the crime scene to report the several crimes made by the teen young faggot who took several swag photographers for his Facebook and Instagram page. The suspect, Chikna Chaudhary, has been accused of taking photos from all over this ground and putting them on his Facebook and Instagram page. The page's name is very vulgar indeed. Beautiful Photography. Yes, you heard that right. Beautiful Photography.
A resident of Dadar, Chikna Chaudhary, started his page Beautiful Photography on August 7. Since then, he's been uploading shitty pictures simultaneously, adding filters and tagging friends, and victimizing innocent Facebook users. Experts call this disease as swagography. The symptoms include intense swag, photography, short forms while typing.
This disease is reported supposedly high among Instagram and Facebook users who have a photography page. Right now we can see some examples of those swag people. Look at these swag people. The swag doesn't stop here. As you can see, the disease is contagious. It spreads from one person to another without stopping. This is another place where the accused, Chikna Chaudhary, took photos and put them online on his Facebook page. He took a photo of this shoe and put them with shitty hashtags and shitty captions.
Our sting operators have managed to capture some footages where you can clearly see the suspect. This is Rakesh. He used to be happy. Used to be. But then he became the victim of Chikna Chaudhary.
अरे ये तो वही लड़का है जिसको चिकना चौधरी ने टैग किया। वही पता
Are you okay? You gone through a lot.
पहले तो सिर्फ पेज लाइक करने इनवाइट किया था उसने, मैंने कुछ देखा नहीं, क्या पता था फिर उसके बकवास पिक्स आने लग गया। मैंने फट से पेज अनलाइक कर दिया, पर वो मुझे पिक्स में टैग करने लग गया।
रो फिर आगे क्या हुआ?
आगे उसने मुझे 56 लोगों के साथ हर एक केलो के पिक में टैग किया। सबने मुझे अनफ्रेंड कर दिया, जिंदगी बर्बाद हो गई। मैंने मेरा फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप, ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम, कैंडी क्रश, प्ले स्टोर भी अनइंस्टॉल कर दिया।
ये अत्याचार क्या आपने इसके खिलाफ कंप्लेंट की?
पुलिस ने कहा इस हरकतों के खिलाफ कोई लॉ नहीं। मेरी सारी इज्जत चली गई। अब मेरी शादी कैसे होगी?
Now we will move on to Dr. Fegitka, who will answer our questions about these teenagers.
The tendency is messed up. Their brains stop working when they take pictures. Basically, they just want to get accepted in the society, and for that, they're not afraid to show their style. Unfortunately, it is. Medically speaking, swag is inversely proportional to the human intelligence. Their behavior can be violent and full of shit. As you can see in this diagram, this is the brain of amateur teenage photographer. Here, the 20% has stupid irrelevant quotes, 60% filters, swag, kachra, 19% internet stuff and hashtags, and only 1% photography skills. And I don't know what that is.
Thousands of innocent people are protesting against this act of noob photographers. If you live in Vadala or Churchgate, we advise you to stay indoors. These angry innocent people want nothing but justice. Looking at the cries of victim, politician Shardul Rao Patil reached out to Rakesh Chaubey to console him.
देखो, ये एमेचर फोटोग्राफर्स की प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ हमारे देश में नहीं, ये सारी दुनिया में फैली हुई है। आओ बेटा, क्या गलती थी इस मासूम लाचार बच्चे की कि इसे इतने टैक्स सहने पड़े? डरो मत, हम तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे। स्वैग वालों, सुन लो, मैं आज शार्दुल राव पाटिल ये आह्वान करता हूँ कि स्वैग फोटोग्राफर्स के खिलाफ एक जंग छेड़ूंगा।
पाटिल भाऊ जिंदाबाद! पाटिल भाऊ जिंदाबाद!
Every year, thousands of such photography pages are made all over the web. We have to stop these pages now. Help us by sharing this video. Help us eradicate this disease now. If you have friends who are suffering from this disease, help us to cure them.
You know, the name of the page is Beautiful Photography. It's a shame to even say. We can see some examples of this disease. Look at these youths. They have been diseased by the disease of swag. There you can see his.
पहले खोकायचं आहे ना लाईक करणे. मैंने तो कुछ देखा नहीं पर
Action. नको करू ते बेकार वाटतं. Photography skills. And I don't know what that is. Grab this fucking shit. Action.
देखो, ये एमेचर फोटोग्राफर्स की प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ हमारे देश में नहीं, ये सारी दुनिया में फैली हुई है। आओ बेटा, कि इसे इतने टैक्स सहने पड़े? डरो मत बेटा, सिर्फ हमारे देश में नहीं, ये सारी दुनिया में फैली हुई है। आओ।